Now that you've got your brand new Chromebook, the first thing that you'll want to do is log in. When you open up your computer, you will notice the first screen says sign in to your Chromebook. The first time you go to sign in will take a little bit longer than the rest of the times you go to sign in. You will start by typing in your email address, which is your 6-digit student ID number, at students plus the graduation year.fairfieldcityschools.com. You will be using this login on the next screen, so you might want to go ahead and copy and paste your email address. You'll be taken to a screen for Microsoft, and you will type in that same email address or paste it here. Finally, on the next page, it'll ask for your password, which is uppercase first initial, the @ symbol, at your date of birth, which is 2 numbers for the year, 2 numbers for the month, and 2 numbers for the day. This is also your clever password. Once you get logged in, you will see the brand new Chrome interface, and we'll go over how that might look a little bit different than your Dell interface. Welcome to your new Chromebook. I think the first thing that you will notice about the Chromebook is that it is super simplified compared to the laptops that you may have been using last year for your schoolwork. So when we start off here, you'll notice that there are a few icons along the bottom, but they might not offer you what you need. Google Chrome is our most popular. That's just how you'll get on the internet anytime you need to search something on the internet. But you can also create some shortcuts by going over to this launcher, the circle in the left-hand corner. And when you open up that launcher, you're going to see a lot of great stuff that you can bookmark. So if you know that you frequently check your email, you might grab Outlook and install that. If you know you're going to be typing a lot of documents, you might install Docs or Slides. I think absolutely Google Drive is something that you're going to want to pin to your shelf. To pin to your shelf, you will right-click the icon and tap Pin to your shelf, and it'll show up right here for you to use. If you have some apps that aren't showing up on the launcher that you would like to pin down here, you can go to their websites. This works with Google websites. It might not work with every single website, but you'll notice an icon that I'm about to show you. So you'll see here that I've already gone to classroom.google.com. So I am at Google Classroom, and I want to add this app down here because I frequently use it. If this icon with the computer with the little down arrow shows up in your address bar, you can tap that and you can install Google Classroom. So now you'll see it opens up. It looks a little bit different. Once you install the app, you'll go to your launcher, and when you open up the launcher, you'll notice that the app will be hanging out right here where your previously installed apps are. And again, you'll want to right click that app and select Pin to Shelf, and that will actually pin it there to stay. Otherwise, it'll disappear once you close out of that app. Another thing you'll appreciate as far as simplification goes is when you would like to use a keyboard shortcut, many of them have gotten even shorter. For instance, your volume controls, F1 through F3, you no longer have to select another button in order to turn off, to mute that sound, or to turn it up. The same goes for if you would like to take a screenshot of your screen, you can simply press F11. So those keyboard shortcuts have now been simplified for you, which is nice. The only one that has not been simplified is the brightness. So you will still need to press FN in order to increase or decrease your brightness.